welcome to my channel AnnaStories. Today we are going to check different toys hacks. Let's start with the hack for repairing the doll hair, because blood is formed with hairs in the sea and in the pool and wherever. We'll pour some fabric conditioner and we are soaking the doll hair in it. Now we have to carefully brush its hair. Wow, it really helps! Look! How do you like this hair? I think it's become much more beautiful. Let's move on to the clothes. Let's make a swimsuit for our doll using a balloon. Cut off a part of the balloon to make the panties. Fold it and cut out a hole. Now let's try the panties on our doll. They are a bit too small, so let's make some bigger ones. I think that's cool. Now we are making the bra top. And look at the new bikini. But I would add some sequin. Write in the comments below if you like it. Let's try to make shoes. At first, rub the feet with a foot film. Now apply thermal glue to the soles. And make a heel. Because of our glue is transparent, we have to paint the shoes with a marker pen or nail polish. And we can stick on some sequin. Everything is very cool, but these shoes won't take off.
20 minutes later.
We've finally taken them off, but they are not as beautiful as before. Perhaps I need to keep learning to make them nice. Our next participant is a ballerina doll. We'll make a dress for her using old socks. Measure the necessary lengths and cut off. Cut openings for arms and put the dress on our doll. But I would also like a blue belt. Let's make another dress. Measure and cut off in the same way. We also have to glue the dress together at the back so that it would fit better. Here's a beach dress we've made. We only have to make a bikini for this doll. Hey guys, how do you like my dress? Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below what you think of our attempt. Bye bye!